Congress MP Rahul Gandhi's one-day visit to Poonch in Jammu and Kashmir was full of action. There were dilapidated homes, shattered dreams, ruined hopes and moist eyes.
As the
dust settles after the deadly cross-border shelling from Pakistan, the emotional and physical scars remain for many.
15 लाख का नुकसान है, उसको भी बोल रहे हैं 1,20,000 देंगे। उससे तो हम बेहतर है हम टेंट में रह लें। हमारे मकान के अंदर से आप कंडीशन देखोगे सर, कोई चीज ऐसी नहीं होगी बची हुई है।
Rahul Gandhi's visit to Poonch gave the locals an opportunity to open up after the physical and mental strain they underwent in the past month. Some even thanked him for his presence that gave them strength and hope in a time of the unbearable tragedy.
यहाँ पे 17 बंदों की कैजुअलिटी हुई है। यहाँ पे हमारे 17 बंदे शहीद हुए। हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी 22 मिनट उन्होंने स्पीच की। पुंछ का नाम उन्होंने बिल्कुल नहीं लिया। हमें पूरा यकीन है राहुल जी के जो हमारे शहीद हुए हैं उनके लिए आवाज बुलंद करेंगे। 50 लाख की आवाज बुलंद करेंगे। ये इसीलिए पुंछ की हम इंडियन आर्मी के साथ हैं।
He met the family of Vihan Bhargav, a young boy who tragically lost his life in the shelling, a heart-wrenching reminder of the innocent lives lost in the crossfire. Rahul Gandhi's itinerary in Poonch wasn't just limited to locals' houses. Rahul Gandhi visited the missionary school where he interacted with children, engaging and encouraging them to rise beyond the tragedy.
Your way of responding to this problem should be that you study really hard, you play really hard, and you make a lot of friends in school. Okay? Will you do that? Good.
Later, he visited Jamia Jia-ul-Uloom and then offered prayers at Gurudwara Singh Sabha in Poonch and also offered prayers for the restoration of peace. Rahul Gandhi was also seen paying a visit to the Gita Bhavan temple and offering prayers there as well. As per Rahul, the Poonch locals have shown incredible dignity and strength amid this cross-border shelling across LOC.
बहुत बड़ी ट्रेजेडी है। भैया क्या कर रहे हैं यार? बहुत लोगों की डेथ हुई है, नुकसान हुआ है। डायरेक्ट सिविलियन एरियाज लोगों से बातचीत की, उनकी जो समस्या है उनको समझने की कोशिश की। उन्होंने मुझे कहा है कि 2-3 चीजें नेशनल लेवल पे रेज करनी है, वो मैं रेज करूंगा।
Has Rahul Gandhi's visit to Poonch given the opposition an opportunity to rake up a political debate? Was this a show of concern or was there a political motive behind the visit? Whatever the reason, Rahul Gandhi's Poonch visit gave the locals a reason to come out of the mishap, even if it lasted only for a few minutes.